tangent to the curve is y is equal to 3x minus 5. That means this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where slope of the tangent is 3 and 5 is a y intercept. Given f double dash x is equal to 6 into x minus 1, that is 6x minus 6, that is f double dash x. Now integrate on both sides. F double dash x is f dash x, that is equal to 6x square by 2 minus 6x plus c1. F dash x means slope of the tangent to the given function, that is 3. 3 is equal to, since 3 is the slope of the tangent, so 3 is equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus c1. When two comma 1, slope at 2 comma 1 is 3 is equal to 2 square means 4. 4 into 3 is 12 minus 12 plus c1. That implies c1 is equal to 3. Now this is 1. Again integrate 1 on both sides. Integral of f dash x is f of x, that is equal to 3x square. Integral is 3 into x cube by 3 minus 6x square by 2 plus c1 means 3 into x plus c2. So that implies when x is equal to, when 2 comma 1 is equal to, f of x means y is equal to, where y is 1, is equal to x cube means 8 minus 3 into x square means 4 plus 3 into 2 plus c2. So 1 is equal to 8 minus 12 plus 6 plus c2. Now this is minus 6, that means plus 2. C is equal to, c2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore the function is f of x means y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. So that is x minus 1 whole cube is the required curve. Y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube is the required curve. The normal to the curve at p x comma y meets the x-axis at G. If the distance of G from origin is twice the axis of P, then the curve is, answer is, the normal to the curve x comma y. The equation of the normal is, equation of normal is y minus y is equal to minus dx by dy into capital X minus x. This is the equation of a normal to the curve passes through px comma y. If this curve meets the x-axis at G, meets x-axis means y is equal to 0. Capital Y is equal to 0. That implies minus y into minus dx by dy into x minus x. So that cancel, y into dy by dx plus x is equal to capital X. Now G capital X comma 0 is equal to y into dy by dx plus x comma 0. Given OG is equal to, OG means the distance from G to x-axis is equal to 2 times the ordinate axis of x, that is 2x. That implies y into dy by dx plus x is equal to 2x. So that implies y into dy is equal to x into dx. Now applying integral on both sides. integral on both sides y square by 2 minus x square by 2 is equal to some constant c, which represents a parabola, which is a parabola. Sorry, hyperbola. Which represents a hyperbola. dy by dx is equal to y into log y minus log x plus 1. Then the equation is, now the given equation can be written as dy by dx is equal to y by x into log m minus log n is log m by n y by x plus 1. Now this is dy by dx is equal to y by x into log of y by x plus y by x. But this type of equations can be solved by taking y is equal to vx. That means y by x is equal to v. Applying derivative on both sides, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now dy by dx means v plus x into dv by dx. That is equal to y by x means v into log v plus v. Now cancel v on both sides. Now we take 1 by v into log v into dv is equal to dx by x. Now applying integral on both sides, log v is t, 1 by v dv is equal to dt. So 1 by t into dt is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. Now this is log mod t is equal to log mod x plus c. So that is log of mod t means log v is equal to log mod x plus c, where v means log of, v means y by x is equal to log x plus c, which is a required equation.